Okay, we're back for what they used the baskets for. They used the baskets for carrying their babies. And I'll show you an example of one of those baskets here in just a moment. They also used the baskets for cooking. We talked about this one earlier in the other video. They used the baskets for holding water. Some of the baskets they used for playing games. They used some for storing food, which next week we'll talk about uh, all the different foods that the Yokuts Indians ate, but they had several that were used for storing food. Some were used for gathering food. And then the last one, they were used for carrying arrows. So once you have written all of those things that they used the baskets for, you are done taking your notes. But I'm going to continue the video. If you need to pause it so that you can keep up with everything that I typed there, go ahead and do that and then hit play when you're ready to continue. The next screens that I want to show you are just some examples of the baskets, the types of baskets, and these images will be included on Friday in your art lesson as well, a little bit larger for you to see. So these are the different types of baskets. This basket here was called a ceremonial basket. So it was used at ceremonies. It could have something that similar shape would have also been used for cooking or storing food in. This next one here is a bottleneck or a water basket, and it looks very similar to this on the other side here. Actually, this one here, I think they called the snake basket, and they would put a rattlesnake inside. This one is a water basket. This is a winnowing tray, so it was used for a type of game along with this one. This one was flat and circular, almost a picture like a plate or a serving tray. Then here, this is a cooking basket that they would put hot rocks in to cook food. This is a berry gathering basket, so you can see it has a strap that they would wear um, around their shoulder, like women would carry a purse or something, and they would pick berries and put it in there. This one here is called a burden basket. That's what they carried acorns in. But also a similar basket, if it had a strap, would be used for bows and arrows. This one here is the arrow basket. This basket here is the baby basket, and you can see the X straps. That would be sort of like twine or string, and they would sort of tie the baby in. And then this part right here that my cursor is over, that actually shaded the baby's head. This is another gaming basket for a game that they played with dice, or they didn't have dice, but they used like little nuts that they painted. And then this last one here is another cooking basket or food storing basket. This next slide shows all the different designs that they put on the basket. And like I said before, these images will appear again on Friday, your Friday assignment for art when you design your basket, and they'll be larger so that you can see, it's easier to see the different designs for you to put on your basket. But several different designs there. And then the last one, I wanted to real quick show you a student sample of a basket there. She did a bottleneck or a water basket, and she used wild geese, ants, and a rattlesnake. And that will also appear on your Friday lesson. So thanks for joining me for Yokuts Basket, and I can't wait to see your baskets on your art lesson Friday. Bye for now.